You look good. I like those pajamas.
Yeah.
Just showered and shaved and got some aftershave on you. And then those other kids are coming, Daniel and David. And I don't know about David. John's gonna be here.
He is.
Yeah.
Where do they live?
They live here in San Antonio.
Game 3 of the series. That's the main
He went on to the big.
Did he really?
Well, actually, it was a different guy. The other guy left. That Guzman left.
And if
Smile.
your 4 clubs is a
Tell you,
flush.
Father's Day. Cheese. There's your bro. There's your daddy.
Father's Day macaroni.
3 of a kind actually
Father's
pays
Day.
better
There's
than
Daniel.
a flush for straight because it's harder to get.
There's Uncle Jim.
You're just getting 5 cards.
I wanted to say
Carl.
Father's Day macaroni.
Okay, who's that? Me?
That's you. And then David, and there's Daniel.
Yeah,
And there's you and Daniel.
that's my turn.
Oh yeah, that's
Carl, we need to go to your eye doctor. You're squinting with glasses.
Well, no, I see better.